and welcome to the Rolling Studio. Today I am bringing you another Temu haul. Now, I think the Temus that I had already done was on my Let's Talk channel. I don't think that I've done one here, so this one's kind of a combination of a few things for my Rolling Studio Let's Talk channel and the Stefador's Jewelry and More, and maybe some extra, I can't remember, but let's just delve into this. I've already opened it. Aha! Yes, these are the 500 count rhinestone rondelle spacers. This is for the Stefador's channel, so that when I make my jewelry, and if you haven't subscribed to my jewelry channel, please do so. That is Stefador's Jewelry and More. And I just scored this wonderful box of spacers. Let's see. Oh, I don't want them to go everywhere, so I better be super careful. Yes. Okay, look at that. Okay, so these are definitely rhinestone spacers, and you can never have too many spacers for your bracelets. So that is a 500 count. That's a lot. And then I also ordered some of these colorful spacers. I don't recall how many are in this one. Let's see. It does not say how many, but they're multiple colors. So this again goes with the Stefador's Jewelry and More channel. And we've got, of course, some more clear. We've got fuchsia, purple, a mix, yellow, red, light blue, green, black, and dark blue. These are the, again, the rhinestone spacers for Stefador's Jewelry and More. Again, you can never have too many spacers. Sorry, I've got glue on me. I was creating a bead container. I was reorganizing some of my new beads in my bead haul. Again, you will see those videos on Stefador's Jewelry and More. If you have not seen them, please go subscribe. I would appreciate it. Let's get out. Okay, I've already kind of, yeah, these are the cards. I dug into these because I needed to. Again, you would see that on Stefador's Jewelry and More, because I show my new packaging beginning of for my bangles and some bracelets, and I've got more packaging coming for all of my jewelry. I just thought these were super duper cute. And technically I'm not a business, but I am going to be selling through my Facebook jewelry channel, or jewelry Facebook page, Stefador's Jewelry and More, the business page. So I'll be stamping these cards as well. In fact, I've got to get a couple of new stamps, but for now I'll be using the stamp that I have. And I just love these cards, because this is what I've decided between the Rolling Studio, Let's Talk, and Stefador's Jewelry and More. My colors are definitely pink. Some of them will be more of a dark pink, like a fuchsia pink, so, but or hot pink, but also the baby pink and the Tiffany blue and black. Those are the three colors that I am extending on through my channels when I send something, or when I gift something, or when I sell something. Here is a roll of thank you stickers. I have my own as well, but that I make myself, but this is a lot faster for me, and my printer stinks. I don't have ink in my good printer, so my laser printer, so I'm using my little small cheap little inkjet, and it just doesn't do the same. But here are, again, I guess most of this was for my Stefador's channel, so I'll be sharing this on Stefador's Jewelry and More as well. Let's see. These are some wonderful, again, thicker spacers with rhinestone metals. They're rose gold and gold, and then a darker metal, copper. Let's see, rose gold, gold, silver, and gunmetal. Aren't those beautiful? Sorry, my hands look all dry and all gluey. Ooh, that looks terrible. Sorry. But anyways, we're here to look at the bling, not my fingers. Beautiful pieces. I think there's just 20 of those. And a little container it comes in. I think I might have got 2 of those, but I don't remember. Let's just see. I'll open those last. I know what those are. I'll open that. I know what those are. Another roll of thank you stickers. They're super duper cute. The pricing on the Temu is pretty darn good. Okay. Yep, here's the other box of those beautiful spacers. Now, go ahead and close that up. Set those to the side. I also got some bubble mailers, but those were pink and black. And I also got some zip. You know what? Hang on. Let me just grab them. I'm really going to show this because it's packaging. But I did pick me up some pink bubble mailers, some black bubble mailers. And let me back that up. There we go. Pink bubble mailers, black bubble mailers. And then I got these, like, I don't remember the size now, but they're little bags that I'll be putting jewelry in, or beads, or whatever people purchase from me. There's the black ones. Here's another set of black ones. These are just all black, no window. The little zipper bags. I might do some resin in those. And then I've got the iridescent black ones with the window and an iridescent background. I got the Tiffany blue with the iridescent background and a clear window, and the pink with the iridescent background and clear window. And all of these are what I'll be packaging when I sell or gift things away. So I just might as well show you. That was another Temu that I did not haul, but that was out of Temu. And then I can't remember, there was these, I think these black bubble mailers were Temu. I think these pink ones were Shein. I think I got those from Shein. I don't remember. But don't quote me on it. I can't remember. No, it was Temu. It was Temu. These were Temu. And these were Temu. So it was all Temu. My bad. I did a haul on Let's Talk that had these pieces in it. So I've already been through these on my other haul. But since I didn't show you, this is a wonderful, beautiful, old-fashioned pocket watch. And I thought they were super duper cute. And I believe they're a quartz. Yes, it's a quartz watch. Pocket watch. I have a couple of people in mind for 2 of these, and then I'm keeping one. I got 3 of them. And then I wanted to, and here's the other 2 right here, pocket watches. So cool. Then I haven't showed these, but this was also part of the, I had 3 different Temus. One with packaging, and then this one was separate from each other. I think, if I can remember correctly. I don't know, because I opened some for the Let's Talk channel. But let's see if I can get into this little pack. This one is for Stefador's Jewelry and More. I don't think I showed this. So if you're watching this on Rolling Studio, you might also see this on the Stefador's channel. and vice versa. I'm just going to use the same video. I got these little charms, but they're awesome. Little knives, little blades. I think they actually open up. And this is what I'm going to be putting on some of my men's bracelets and necklaces, because I think they're awesome. Let's see. Yes, it's a functional little... Ooh, it's sharp too. Yeah, be good to open a mail. So this is a cool little blade that I'm going to be putting on a bracelet for men's, probably my Byzantine or some style of chainmail jewelry for men, or a pendant for men. I'm not sure. That's one. I don't want to open them all, but I know that there's 2 or 3 different ones. Let's see. I'll at least open these 2, and I'll see if there's another one. Because I think I ordered 2 of each. Oh, yes, this one's like an eagle. Look at that. That is stinking cute. I'm going to have to get some more of these, but I wasn't sure what to expect or how big they were going to be, so I wanted to wait. There we go. That's super awesome. And they're heavy. They've got, I mean, it's a heavy little piece. I think the guys will love it. I just so need to put lotion on my hands. Okay, so there it is. It is an actual sharp little knife. It's pretty sharp too. Little knife. Those are cool. So those are going to go on my men's jewelry. And I think there was one more. And I should have been 2 of each, but I'm only seeing 5. Oh, there it is. Okay, this one looks different. I'm just going to have to open these. Maybe I just got 1 and 1 on these instead of 2 of each. This one looks gold. Dang, I cannot get this open. Yeah, okay, it's going to be difficult. So let me just go in between. Yeah, here we go. And they all come with a nice jump ring. Oh, wow, look at that one. They're so much better in person. Wow. Now, I don't know if that's scratches or if they were meant to look like that. It's rough brush polished on it. It's a brushing. Let's open this little blade up. Ooh. Cute. I love these. I do. I'm a knife gal. I love knives. I'm a knifer. I love to throw knives, and we throw knives at home. My daddy used to throw axes and knives, and he was spot on, man. He was so good. And I need to practice my knife throwing, and I've never been good at the hatchet or the axe. I don't think I can even pick them up anymore. And then here's a silver one. Okay, so I got 1 of each of those instead of 2. But I got 2 of the other ones. Here we go. The silver knife. The silver jump ring. Again, my men's line will have these on them if I can keep them in stock. At least the first few that I make are going to have that. I'm sorry, I've got glue all over me. Stinking cute. Love it. Pretty sharp for a little thing, but probably can't really cut anything. Open a letter. So those were my medals. I guess this is mostly a Stefador's haul. But then, you know, I love music too, but I don't like today's music. But I bought my mom one of these, but it was a bigger one. And when I saw these online, I couldn't resist because these are little hand ones. I think they're Kalimbas, I think is the name. Kalimbas, I can't remember the name. But I think this goes on here somehow. Yeah, you carry it around. I love it. I can't remember the name, the technical name. I think it's something that sounds like a kalimba or kalamba. I don't remember the name of it, but this is the mini 8-tone wooded heart. Same thing, but it's a heart. This one was the oval, and I got a second one. This one's the heart. And they definitely go, I guess they're pendants or carry-arounds. You can carry them around. They've got this bracelet thing. So I don't know how to put it on there yet, but I'll figure it out. Oh, it's so cute. This one is the heart. Okay, I'm getting caught up playing. Anyways, they're so stinging cute. I couldn't resist them. I like to doodle with little music like that. So, one oval, one heart. I don't know what I got two for, but I guess because I just love them. So, that is my small Temu haul for the Rolling Studio, Stefador Jewelry and more. And I think there was some for the Let's Talk, but you can go watch the haul on that one. You might see a couple of the same things there. But anyway, I needed to get this out so that I could get this packaging put up and put away and stored. And I'm glad that we got it done now. So be sure to subscribe to the Rolling Studio, where I do mostly art here. And I've kind of backed off a lot on this channel for doing jewelry. I didn't want to keep it one and the same, but every now and then I will implement a jewelry video, which I need to do. I haven't done in a while, but I have done some shorts. And then this is my Temu haul for Stefador Jewelry and more. Go and subscribe, like. It does help me with the algorithm if you do that. And the Let's Talk channel, which is where we talk. In the future, we're going to be doing some talking, but right now I'm doing book shares, book reads, and you can just listen. I do have imagery now to one book. I don't know if I'll continue that in the future because it takes so much longer in the editing process, but do check out the Let's Talk channel. Eventually, I'm hoping to receive some testimonies that I can read on the channel. So be sure to subscribe to those. And I do have an older channel, which is called the Nature channel. It's the Songs of Nature. It's kind of being neglected right now, but I still do have it active. So be sure to subscribe to that one too. All of those links will be in the description box below. And I will see you on one of those 4 channels at some point in time. All right, I'm going to let you go. Have a blessed day. Bye.